I know I've never used this word before, but these are... Hey, what's up guys? Welcome. Internet Shaquille here, back with another food review and unboxing. Don't forget to like the video to show the algorithm that you appreciate me. Go ahead, like it now. Don't wait. Trust me, you're gonna like it. And subscribe to the channel for next week's review and unboxing. Spoiler alert, it's gonna be epic. Okay, so today guys, we've got a food review and unboxing of the brand new generation of Taco Bell's Nacho fries. Let's get right into it. What's up you guys, welcome back. So today we are unboxing the Taco Bell Nacho fries, and these are kind of tricky. They're primarily fries and nowhere near real nachos, but guys, you already know my slogan. It doesn't have to be real to be real good. Don't forget to pick up some merch at internetshaquille.com/merch. Anyway, let's get right into the review. I've got here Taco Bell's signature brown paper bag, and the auxiliary contents of the packaging are the same as just about every previous generation. One receipt, 4 napkins, no stickers, no user manual. Oh, this might be a scannable augmented reality experience. Oh, no, it's just a QR code to download the Taco Bell app. It looks like TB remains years behind on my pleas for more comprehensive branding and a more robust unboxing experience. By the way, there is a little bit of a sort of blind box element to this experience. We could get one of 2 fry box colorways. I'm personally hoping for the black one. What do you think? Black?
I think you'll get the black one.
Really?
I'm feeling lucky.
Well, come on, I'm hoping for black. We got the yellow one. Still, the actual product does look pretty sleek. These nacho fries clock in at 85 grams with the case standing 4 inches tall. They take, on average, 72 seconds to drain from full capacity to empty, and the open top vent design of this case does a great job at moisture management during those 72 seconds. Plenty of steam gets released vertically, but I'm hoping next generation's case design yields some more long-term heat retention. The fries come with one peripheral straight out of the box, and that's this 40-gram, 2.5-inch diameter cup of nacho cheese. I can't say that I see any shared design language between the peripheral and the main case. However, this plastic disc design did stand up to multiple pocket tests in all 3 NetShack pocket test categories of chino, jean, and cargo short. Scratch tests yielding promising results all the way up to level 5. That's impressive. One thing that we're seeing early reports on is a little bit of variability in quality control. The item that we're reviewing today has 27 fries in the box, but we've heard reports of some customers receiving as few as 23. Remember, it's been years since we saw the launch of last generation's nacho fries, and during that time in between then and now, the only way you could test these would be via hacking. So I'm expecting this new model to blow all previous benchmarks out of the water. Let's get right into some stats. These fries costed us $1.28 after local taxes. We were offered a pre-production review model for free, but we did pay for this with our own money, so this review would not be sponsored. All the more reason to support us at patreon.com/Shaq so that we can afford more new stuff to review every week. Reviews that you will only see if you are subscribed, which, by the way, 77% of you are not. What are you waiting for? By the way, I don't know if you've already been noticing, but every single Patreon subscriber has their name hidden at some point throughout this video. You think you can find them all? Even yours? So back to the nacho fries. These clock in at 320 calories, 2 grams of sugar, 18 grams of fat, and a meager 4 grams of protein. I know that man cannot live on nacho fries alone, but these are seriously lacking in the protein department, which is why I think you'll be needing a lot of today's sponsor, Ritual Protein. Ritual Essential Protein 18+ contains all 9 essential amino acids, providing a complete amino acid profile, helping to build lean muscle mass, satisfy appetite, and support bone health. Ritual's essential protein shakes contain 20 grams of vegan pea protein with no added sugar or sugar alcohols. The 18+ shake helps build and maintain muscle, keeps you feeling full, and contains choline to support brain health and fill dietary gaps. It supports bone health too. It contains no major allergens, no artificial sweeteners or colors, but it does contain L-methionine to provide a complete amino acid profile to aid in protein synthesis. Essential protein is available in daily formulas for those 18+, 50 plus, and for pregnancy and postpartum. The pea protein is derived from peas grown in the USA using regenerative farming practices, and right now, Ritual is offering 20% off during your first month by going to ritual.com/Shaq and using code SHAQ at checkout so that you can start fueling your body right. So back to the benchmarks. These nacho fries performed above average in our drop test, aerodynamics test, and long-term battery testing. Plus, they're fully backwards compatible with all other Taco Bell food and drink items, including discontinued legacy offerings like Mexican pizza. So where do these fries come up short? Well, if we compare these to apples and oranges, they just don't compare. The apple benefits from far less built-in obsolescence. This model has been on my shelf for 6 weeks and is just as good as the day I got it. And the oranges just have a way more iconic package design. It's compostable, it adds a negligible shipping weight, and the branding is just unmatched. One look at this bright orange color and you can tell there's an orange in there. Compared to other fast food brands' fries, the competition is much tighter. When you put these next to a standard McDonald's fry, you can see that Taco Bell's addition of cornstarch and rice flour make for a doubly crispy crunch. The seasoning blend too is immediately more visible. As for the titular nacho sauce, this is the accessory that really sets the nacho fries apart. Keep in mind that this sauce comes free with every nacho fry purchase. Any other brand is going to charge you an arm and a leg for a peripheral that comes free from Taco Bell, and we've found that most competitors don't even offer a cheese sauce, even if you were willing to pay for one. I know for all you ketchup fanboys, you won't give two hoots because what you gain in cheese sauce, you lose in Heinz options. For everyone else, with these specs and stats completely covered, you should have enough information to decide whether or not these Taco Bell nacho fries are worth your hard-earned dollar. But you'll want to decide quick. Keep in mind that the Taco Bell brand likes to reward early adopters and punish laggards, and this menu item could disappear for years at a time without notice. So that is my unboxing of Taco Bell's nacho fries. Did I miss anything? Do you agree? Do you disagree? What do you think of me as a person? What does it mean to live authentically? Is our suffering a result of seeing ourselves as being higher than those found in nature? Let me know in the comments. Obviously, I don't read any of the comments. You pigs should be grateful for whatever free slop I so graciously give you on this website, but before I catch wind of anyone complaining that I didn't actually review these, Yum Brands greenlit these early reviews while upholding a review embargo on any qualitative variables, including aroma, taste, and personal enjoyment. This video should be viewed strictly as a first look, so the full review will be here in next week's video. Make sure that you are subscribed for that. Make sure that you click the bell so that you're notified. Make sure that you follow me on Instagram at InternetShaquille, and make sure that you follow me on Twitch at twitch.tv/InternetShaquille. That is a lot, but guys, you know how these algorithms are, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys next time. Later! Hey guys, hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure you watch the video that I posted exactly 1 year ago to this day on April 1st, 2021. And please, above all, make sure you hit that whiskey spatula flip. All right, guys, later.